Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a purchase return using SQL accounting software. A purchase return is usually issued by a supplier to reduce the amount owed by a customer, often due to overcharges, returned goods, or adjustments to a previous invoice. Here is a scenario. You initially purchased 20 office chairs from a supplier, but upon delivery, 5 chairs were found to be damaged. As a result, you need to issue a purchase return to adjust the purchase invoice for the returned chairs. Let's begin. To do this, select Supplier. You may enter your description here. We are going to key in return of 5 chairs due to damage as an example. Then, navigate to the purchase return, right-click and select Transfer from Purchase Invoice. Next, select the specific purchase invoice that is affected. In this example, it's document number PI00016. After that, enter the return quality in the X/F column. Finally, review the details to ensure everything is accurate, and click Save. A dialog box will prompt you with the message, "Do you want to knock off the transferred document?" Click Yes, and the supplier credit note will automatically knock off the corresponding purchase invoice. And that's it. We've successfully completed a purchase return. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.